Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best bike cases for air travel in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best bike cases for air travel. Starting at number 5, we have the Scicon AeroComfort 3.0 TSA. The beauty of the Scicon AeroComfort 3.0 TSA is you can pack your bike without turning a single bolt. All you have to do is remove the wheels. With a rigid frame defender metal base, the bike slots in using your quick release or through axles, and comes with plenty of additional padding and a gear bag that's secured to the base under the down tube. At 9 kilograms, empty the bike straps into the bag securely, and the 360-degree wheels allow for easy one-handed dragging. With all of that said, we've seen baggage handlers stack Scicon bags upside down on baggage carts on multiple occasions so they won't roll away, so consider some additional padding for your handlebars and shifters. Moving on at number 4, we have the Evoc Bike Travel Bag Pro. Around any bike event, you're likely to see a sea of Evoc bike bags, because they are some of the best you can buy. With room for anything from a lightweight roadie to a long and slack 29er enduro bike, the Pro version includes an aluminium tray that attaches to the axles of the bike inside the bag and doubles as a workstand when it's time to rebuild. Inside, the bike is secured with a range of Velcro straps and purpose-built padding, and are plenty big enough for road and MTB wheels. Inside the bag, there are internal pockets for tools and pedals, and the removable plastic ribbing allows the bag to be rolled up for storage. The back features 2 ultra-smooth rollerblade wheels and a third which slots into the front handle for easy transition from the baggage claim to your accommodation. At number 3, we have the Aophire Folding Bike Bag. Safely transport bikes with wheels up to 29 inches inside this folding bike bag. Built with a carrying handle to reduce your load, this Aophire carrier makes traveling with road and mountain bikes that much easier. Depending on the size of your bike, you may need to remove several components. While you only need to remove the front wheel of a 700c road bike, the handlebars and saddle also need to come off if you're traveling with a 27.5-inch, or larger, mountain bike. Whether you're carrying a smaller road bike or a hefty mountain bike, the heavy-duty 600D Oxford material won't strain under load. This bag also has 2 durable shoulder straps and dual pockets to store small bike repair tools and other accessories, including tire inflators. At number 2, we have the CyclingDeal Hard Case for road bikes. Transport your standard 700c quick-release road bike in this durable CyclingDeal bike carrier. However, it's not recommended for mountain bikes or integrated seat posts. An included TSA lock adds an extra element of security when your bike is out of sight. Built with EVA material for added durability, the case resists impacts and abrasions. Your bike and its components will be safe and sound even if the baggage handlers aren't very gentle. From rushed trips through airports to cramped cargo spaces, this hard box withstands long travel days. You don't need to completely disassemble your bike to fit inside this carrier. For most bikes, you'll need to remove the wheels and pedals. It's possible you'll need to remove the handlebars or turn them sideways, depending on the size of your bike. Various buckles and straps keep your bike parts and accessories organized and safe. This carrier even has dedicated slots for the wheels. A user-friendly clamshell design allows you to completely open the case without disturbing the bike. And finally at number 1, we have the THRLEGBIRD Folding Bicycle Bag. If you aren't traveling with a full-sized bike, consider the THRLEGBIRD Bike Bag for folding bikes with tires up to 20 inches. The storage bag works for most compact bikes with tires between 14 and 20 inches. Equipped with durable 600D polyester and a water-repellent coat, this bag works equally well for air travel and commuting. It even has a waterproof lining to protect your precious cargo. The bag weighs just under 1.5 pounds, making it easy to carry it on buses, trains and other forms of public transportation. As long as your bike folds, it should fit nicely into this storage bag. If the fit seems like it might be too tight, simply remove the front wheel. You may need to remove the seat and handlebars as well, depending on your bike. All components can be stored inside. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure, like, comment, subscribe.